Better you take your risk and buy from Nigerian vendors and deal with all of that. Hey besties, Emem here. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title and you can see from this look, yes, it is the most requested video I've gotten in the past month. And the first video was, my unboxing and review of my bone straight hair that I got for Christmas. And I said in that video that I was going to be doing a 1 month review on the hair. So in that video I said I was going to let you guys know in a month, like all the specs, the pros, the cons, and just update you guys on how the hair is holding up. So that is what we are here to do today. I know that you guys are going to go crazy when you watch this video, because my DM, I'm scared to open my DM because messages, hey Debbie, hey Deborah, I'm a subscriber, I wanted to know which company you got this hair from. But me personally, I didn't reply to any of your DMs. In case you're wondering, why is this girl not replying to my DM? This girl thinks she's this and that. No, it was not that. I wanted to thoroughly check the hair and just try the hair, do everything I wanted to do with the hair before I come and give you guys the info on this company, because I don't want wahala. I don't want wahala. That's how somebody commented on my Jenny's Glow video that they scammed her or something like that. Mine is not there. I'm just a YouTuber. I make videos about the things I buy with my own money, so I don't want to lead anybody astray. I'm not getting paid to do this, so you have to understand that if it's not good, I don't come and tell you guys, so nobody holds me accountable. Okay, so we are here for the tea. As you can see, I turned it into a wig. Let me tell you, first of all, let me tell you before we go into this video, okay? When I took it to the stylist to turn it into a wig, I was like, okay, I want to make a wig. She's like, okay, that's 7,000 naira, and I think that's about, let me just say, like $18 or $17. And I was like, okay, cool, it's something I can do. It's nothing too expensive. So she was not like, wait. I was like, yeah. She's like, what kind of hair is it? I was like, it's bone straight though. And she's like, no, bone straight is 10K. I was like, wow, like how? Like, I don't understand. Is bone straight hair different from regular hair? I don't understand. She's like, no, there's a technique we used to do it. There's a this and that is trendy now. I'm like, yeah, so it's basically the same sewing with thread and needle, so I don't understand. Like, but anyway, I ended up paying because I'm not going to sit down and make wigs. The days of me sitting down and sewing wigs, they're gone. I can't do it anymore. I don't have the patience. I have videos to edit, videos to make for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video before you even hear anything about it. So now let's get into the tea. As you can see, I'm wearing the hair. Oh, it's giving. One thing I'm going to tell you before I tell you all about this hair is make sure you get a powder brush when you get expensive hair, because you're not supposed to use your regular brush. I'm going to put a picture of that brush that all Nigerian girls use. Every Nigerian girl has this brush. If you say you don't have it, then you're a liar, okay? So you need to get a good powder brush. I got this one in Lagos market for I think 1,000 naira, yeah, and it's nice, but it's dirty though. First of all, this hair, if you didn't watch the first video, you have to go and watch it so you know the specs of this hair to be particular. I'm just going to run through this. So I got 3 bundles of 26 inches super double drawn and a super double drawn matching closure, and it is the bone straight. Okay, the price I told you 200k plus, and the shipping took 3 weeks. Yes, the shipping was, so what they do is you send the money, they receive the money, they make your order, because they make to order. They're not just going to pick hair and send to you. They sew the hair or sauce the hair or whatever, make the closure, and then they send it to your agent. So if you're going through an agent or you're going through DHL, that is totally up to you. And like with agent, it will take you about a month or a month plus. With DHL, to take you probably like 2 to 3 weeks, because they take 1 week, 7 to 10 days to make the hair, and then before you get it from Vietnam to Lagos, probably another week. So it will be about almost 3 weeks or 2 weeks plus. So just have that in mind, that if you order it now, you're not going to get it anytime soon. So if you're ordering it for an event that's close by, girl, it's better you take your risk and buy from Nigerian vendors and deal with all of that. So the quality of the hair, I'll say I'm not a hair expert or a hair vendor. So I'm just going to tell you based on the wigs I have purchased, and I have also seen on people. This is good quality hair, I'm not gonna lie. This is giving, okay? It's giving, sis. Like, your money is talking. When people see you with this hair, they know you got money. Even if you don't have money, they just assume that you have money, okay? I'll say it's a 7 or a 7.5/10 because you have some premium hair that, girl, you have hair of like 1.2 million. So I mean, a hair of 200k, you get more bang for your buck, because if you are buying this from a Nigerian vendor, it will probably go for, I saw this same length, this same thing for about 275, 250 when Bone Street was at its peak. You know that during that Christmas time, everybody was going Google Gaga for Bone Street. I saw 265. Some really like bougie hairstyles were even selling it for like 3 something. I was like, girl, I ordered this and it was this price, so don't scam me. So besties, I'm going to be reading some of the questions I got under the comment section of the first video I uploaded, so you can go and watch that if you didn't watch that one, so you'll be able to understand the whole gist. Most of the questions here are just, how was the shipping? The shipping, I've told you, a lot of nice ones, sincerity, thank you so much. So if I'm reading your comments and you're watching this video, hey girl, hi, thank you for dropping me a comment, and I appreciate it. So somebody said, is this hair from Vietnamhairluxury? And I said, I didn't answer. I just asked like, have you tried them before? She said, I have. Their curly hairs are shit. Their hairs also shed so bad. Customer service is so poor. Even if you have a complaint, they won't respond to your messages again. I never had that issue with them, so maybe I guess I was lucky. Someone said, their hair looks good but sheds a lot. My hair has not shedded in over a month or a month plus. So you guys can just go to the first video and go through the comments to see anything that may be helpful to you. So another girl said, this is good quality hair, definitely SDD natural. If you don't know what SDD is, it is super double drawn. So she said it is natural straight, not bone straight. Bone straight is as the name implies, but the hair is nice quality. So for me, I feel like the name implies bone straight. Girl, there's nothing like bone straight, okay? Honestly speaking, Nigerians make bone straight. That's it. Nigerian girls are responsible for that, okay? There's no hair like bone straight. Check all the hair stores outside the country, you will not get bone straight. You just get straight. There's nothing like bone straight hair in my own research I have done. So I don't know, please, if I'm wrong, comment down below in the comment section. If you sell hair, please drop us a comment and let us know the difference between natural straight and bone straight. It will be very, very helpful. To help me, to help so many ladies out there confused, trying to wonder what is the difference, or if they were scammed or not. And also, I want to make a request. If you have bone straight hair, what are the tips and the tricks to straighten or to maintain your bone straight hair? I'm currently doing my research on that, so I can give you guys another video. So there's going to be a third part of this bone straight hair series where I show you how I maintain, manage and care for my bone straight to keep it in its natural straightness. So if you have bone straight hair, please drop me a comment on how you straighten your hair. I really, really want to know, because see, this one here is me that needs it. I need it the most, so please help me. I have no problems with my hair. I'm enjoying my hair. I've worn it so many times to so many places, in the sun, in the humid Lagos weather, in AC, at home. Yeah, if you have any questions, please drop me a comment. I always reply all my comments. And if I have never replied your comments, please send me a message on Instagram and fire me, okay? So I try my best to reply all my comments, and I just want to help everybody, because I also want you guys to help me grow on YouTube. So I give you guys all the help and all the tea on what I know. So with all that being said, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your girlfriends, because it is going to be very helpful to anybody who's thinking about buying hair or has hair or was scammed, or you know, the whole hair wahala. So yeah, bye.